How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do the best hand gripper workout at home for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So I have a hand grip here, you guys. I'm going to show you the best workout you can do. So obviously the first exercise is going to be just simply getting the hand grip and squeezing like this. That's like that's basic hand grip training. I want to show you a couple of different exercises you can do that will actually help you put together a workout. So I recommend doing that. Try to get 10 reps with that first exercise, just basic hand grip. The next one you want to do is a reverse hand grip. So normally the hand grip training itself, it really trains in here and up here. More in here though. When you go like this, it puts a lot of the pressure in here. So it just changes up your hand grip training. So you could go like this and then just try to get, like 10. Your hand will start to slip, which is normal. Just try to hold it. So that is a really, really, really good exercise. That exercise alone has helped me increase past the 300 pound of hand grip resistance. So it works amazing. I highly, highly recommend doing that. The next workout the next exercise is going to be a negative training. So get a hand grip that you can't really close all the way, pretty close. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get two hands, you're gonna close it, and then you're gonna take one hand and you're just gonna hold on as long as possible. This is called negative training, and you're just basically trying to hold that there as long. Eventually this will happen. Your hand grip will give out. That's fine, but the whole point of this is just trying to squeeze on for as long as possible. So those are the three exercises I recommend for beginners. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.